Today's video is a reptile cage we're building as a kit so we can get it through a small gate. It's about 3 feet wide. These are all the bottoms. We have the mesh, the hardware cloth, whatever you want to call it, on the bottom, so nothing can get through either way, in or out. It's all 2x8 framing, 3 screws in each end. Everything's pressure treated, of course. These are the back walls right here. I started laying some of the wire on this already. I'm going to get to more in just a minute here. See, it's starting to come together now. There's the back on there. This is the front side where all the doors are going to be. Still needs wire, and I still need to hang all the doors on it, but it just gives you an idea of what it's going to look like when it's complete. Alright, we already have the back attached. Now we have the front on. All these pieces over here on the left are all the sides. And then these are all the tops, all stacked up. They all need wires still. Alright, here's pretty much the complete cage. I'm still gonna put handles on it and maybe some more trim, but that's the idea of it. So I made this 10 foot by 5 foot tall by 4 foot deep animal cage as a kit that you can take apart and move if you need to. Literally it can be put together with a few screws, or if you want you can put a bunch depending on how solid you want it to be. This literally has 3 on each side, 3 on this side, 3 on this side. The top has nothing in it. So I'll show you how fast we can take it apart. See how easy it is to take apart. And then you have one big piece on the back here that comes off, and then there's the bottom piece. So then you have the whole complete setup. And just what, 6 pieces I think? Yeah, 6 pieces makes this whole thing, but then you can move it around. You can take it apart, move it to another property. You can bring it through a property where the fence is too small. Whatever, you can get it through anywhere.